capitalize from a broken lamp. Like this, guys. It could later be a very useful tool for life. And of course the results. Make gawking friends. PL and auto. Keter. Okay, guys, just go ahead and do the tutorial. Let's see together. A tutorial video I created this one, friends. Let's go. Okay, creative dude. We have to prepare 2 lights like this. Well, but here we just choose just 1 lamp. Yeah, guys, yeah. Here I chose this lamp that just... Okay, sip, the lamp has been selected and become the winner. Let's just execute. Well, for the inside of a used lamp like this, yeah, I have tried this LED part. Because it's broken and it's broken, yeah, guys, yeah. We're gonna take it right away and we throw it away. And we'll replace them into a very steady lamp once. For all of our lives. Okay, sip, guys. Well, if you have... First thing we do is open it up in a way to pull it like this. Okay, if it's opening goblet like this. We just gouged broken lamp parts like this, yeah. Okay, steady. If you have this light right away because it is broken, we just throw it away. Well, here we are just utilizing part of its lamp container. Like this, yeah, guys, yeah. So this is later very steady and can be very cheap to practice at home. Okay, too. You should also prepare a cable. Used USB like this. If you already, USB cable was the end we peeled off. Just like this. Okay, steady, guys. Well, if you are here, there are 4 pieces of cable. 1 color green. 1 is white. Red, black, and also green. Okay, there are 4 pieces of cable, yes. Well, here that we use red and also black. Red positive pole, black negative pole. The other one we just cut. If we just peel it off. The second part of the cord, like this. Okay, sip, if it's peeled off. Just straight up. The result will be like this, guys. Steady and steady mar. Thick as hell is not. If it's already here. You guys set up a LED lamp. HPL like this, yeah. You can buy at the online store or the nearest electronics store. The price is also very cheap ones. Well, if it's like this. Here is already the positive sign and also the negative pole sign. We just connect it using a used USB cable. Before we connect, we put it in the light first. Like this. Okay, sip, if it comes in, we just pull. Just like this, guys. Well, if you have section for the red and black wires, we just connect the lights like this. For the red part, my friends. Yeah, that's his name. Positive pole. And for black cable color, that's his name. Negative pole. So we just have to adjust according to the picture and also assign the positive pole and its negative pole. Okay, steady, guys. Well, if it is connected, the result will be like this, guys. Really steady, yeah. Let it last longer. You guys can add resistor, yeah, guys, yeah. Okay, sip. If it's straight away, we just pull it like this. Okay, so steady. And let me not the lights not gondole you guys. Yes, we can just add glue right away. Here, my friends. Yes, we immediately give glue. And we just stick it like this. Okay, really steady knot. If it's like this, guys, just right here. We just cover the part of the outside, guys. Yeah, well, we take part of the lamp house, yeah. Then we just cover it back up. Like the beginning. Great, guys. And these tools that we make. Already so friends. Very practical. Economical wordless ones and can be practiced at home. Into an emergency light. When the light goes out. To our house friends. Okay, just what kind of sophistication? Let's try it, guys. Hello, creative buddy. It's time we tried. Well, the tools we make the result is like this, yes. For the shape and to light it up. We can use power bank like this, yeah, or can also charge your HP. But I suggest using power bank only, because we can use at the time of the blackout, friends. Okay, Sip, just stay plugged in. Part of the second-hand USB into his power bank like this, guys. Just mark a lock. Let's plug like this. Just dilute it like this, yeah. Mom dipped it. Wow, steady, guys. The emergency light made by us auto lit. Like this, guys. And the result, not playing around. It's very, very bright and very suitable we use when our home during a power outage like this. Wow, so it's really so bright, guys. Yeah, this is so steady. Whereas using from used lamps, well, this is if you guys can sell this can. Cash out the money into rupiah coffers and can enrich yourself, friends. Wow, so steady. We can use become a business side. And it's really very bright, guys. Yeah, if you don't believe me, we just try. Like this, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so shocked, guys, because this is so steady. And of course, it's very, very bright. So bright, yeah. This is very suitable for use when the lights go out. Or you can use it when camping in the woods, when traveling when there's no electricity, or for sale. Also very, very steady, yeah, because this is very, very, really and bright. And of course, stuff and materials that capital of used goods from used lamps earlier. Okay, so if you guys have used lights, don't throw it away yet. Could be an emergency light, which is very practical, economical in the making, and the result, very, very, really satisfying. Okay, guys, well, if you guys like this video, don't forget to click the like button below and hit his subscribe button. And do not forget to ring the notification bell so that all of you never miss the latest video update from our creative channel. Okay guys, I hope this is helpful. I wait in the creative eyed in the content. Next,